Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela. Today I will try to show you or explain you about a little bit about size and compress images for your website. Images are fundamental when we are building a website. Of course, you can have a lot of benefits by showing a good picture of your work or ideas, or if you want to share something that is important for you, then pictures are something that you are want to show. Um, but sometimes when the picture is too heavy or the size of the picture is too heavy, then your website could not work properly. So we we need to take in consideration with images to do two things. First of all, to have the best picture you can have in the smallest size you can have it. um, there are things that you can do on the website. Oh, sorry, on the internet there are some things that you can, sorry, I don't know what is that, some things that you can use. I pick this one, this tinypng.com. Okay, it's not the moment to do that. Sorry about that. I don't know what is going on here. Okay, the teeny PNG will allow you to have a big picture or a heavy picture, have the same resolution or the closest resolution with a minimum of size, minimum size. For example, this picture is really heavy, but if I want to use that one, I will go and open it. It will download and it will reduce the size of it 61%. If we open the picture, it will be for the purpose of putting it on a website, it will be just fine. You will have a really good picture. So your compressing the picture will help you to avoid these problems of download the page, or how the page will work if you have a lot of pictures that are heavy. So compression is really important to do. That's one thing. Then you have sizings of a picture. You can size a picture using a photo editor. I have this image that I want to resize, so I can go to an editor, I open it. I will use a free internet editor, but you can use Photoshop or other things. Just just for you to know, like, I'm using one that everyone can use without paying. So I open the picture here, and you can chop the picture, resize, rotate, cut out. You can do a lot of things. In this case, what I'm gonna show you is the resizing part. So we have width and height here, and you can change it as you wish. For example, I will put 100 and then apply to it, and the picture is smaller. Maybe I want to be bigger, so I will put, I don't know, 800 and apply it. It's bigger. It all depends on what we do, and if you want, you save it and use it that way. Or the other way to do resizing is to directly do it on your coding editor. I'm gonna use CodePen, but whatever code editor, it will be similar. So to do to have your picture, you just go to the HTML and you use the IMG and you select the picture. I just brought a picture from the internet that was a good picture to do the example. You can directly go here and select the width. I don't know, 100. Okay. And you can also do a high here too. I don't know. Let's do 500 just to make an example. That's a way to do it. Or you can do the auto. That's the way to do it. You can resize your picture by doing it in here where you put the picture. But if you want to do something differently, you go to the CSS part, and then you change the width and the height here. So as I said before, as I did it before, I go to and do this as usual, and I do the same thing with again. You can do that. Instead of changing the height with an absolute number like this, I wouldn't suggest you to do that because you change the shape of your pictures. It's a better way to preserve the aspect ratio when you're resizing the pictures, just to select the width or select the size of the width, and then here just put auto. And then you will have the right size for it. For example, we can do like 500, it will be bigger, and in the way is the right way that you have to be able to see your pictures. So you can play with it and use the way and the height as the way you want the picture to be seen. This is a way to do it. Then you can have a responsible image. Instead of using absolute numbers here, then you use percentage. The best way to do it is use the max width and use the percentage here. For example, if you want 100%, then you will have 100% of your picture. But if you want to change that to 45%, I don't know, like that makes your picture smaller. So it is a way to change or resize your pictures to be able to have it in a better way. There are other things that you can do with the picture, just for demonstrations. I will add border to the pictures. I will add a border solid one red. Okay. I'm gonna play with the object effect. So in order to you to realize the changes and everything, I use the border. You can add borders to your pictures or things like that. But I will need this red container for me to help you to see the changes in a better way. Object fit is a command. Object fit is a command that you can use also to change the shape and the size of your pictures. You have some possible ways of doing it. Let me show you a couple or all of them. There are 5. So I will do, if I can do it fast, I will do the 5. Contained, it is the one that it will show you the picture. It will preserve the original picture. So you contain in this red area your picture. Then you have cover that will also preserve your picture. Okay, let's see. You will preserve the picture aspect, but it will top your image if the image was bigger. That's a way to say, I don't know how to say. Then you have fill. another way to see it, the picture. Let's see. I don't see you're seeing it because I have this in a responsible way. Let's not be responsible for the presentation. Okay, let's see. Cover. It's safe. Okay. It's not taking me. Okay. Yes. But if I put fill, it has to be in another way. Okay, let's do this. Cover. Cover. Sorry about this. Okay, it should be chopped. But okay, none. You can see none. When you add none, it says that you will have the image in the right side, the original side, and you will see only the sides that you select, the math width that you select. That's why it seems like it's bigger, but they actually is not bigger, it is the full size. The only thing is that you will see only the part that you have because you select that. If you change that, for example, the width, you change it to 200, then you will see a small part. But if you change it to 2000, you will see the whole thing. Or maybe if you do it to 8000, you will see just a part of it. It all depends on what you're looking for. And the last one that I wanted to show you is a scale down. Let's see if this one works. Okay, something I didn't write it correctly. I think I did. Like everything, when you have it, like little kids, when I did all this on my own, it all works. Okay, so scale down, it will have both, you will have the image in the full image, but in the size that you have it in the size. Oh, I haven't put the 80% here. I want you to see. You will have so in the scale down, it will scale down your full image in the area that you select. That's what it says. So playing with this, it is important for you to understand that you need to know what you're needing for your website, which image are relevant, which image are gonna be the most useful for you, and all this you have to start playing with it and see which of these functions are better for your work or what you need to do. Like if changing this will help you to get a better idea of what you are looking to transmit, then you can compress, of course, to make it easier for the viewer to upload your website, but also the size of the image are important for you to give the right message on your website. So if you have any question or if you have any extra idea where we can share it, I will be more than welcome to do so. So thank you very much.